Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
برنامه‌های ما شامل زبان‌های بسیاری است. از این وبسایت دیدن فرمایید suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Do you have a bit of a sweet tooth? I will share with you a treat that is fun to make and delicious to eat, and when you make them, be sure to get your hands on one because they won't last long. Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower Part 3 of 3, Sunflower Seed-Based Vegan Crepe with Hollandaise Sauce and Vegan Ukrainian Sunflower Seed Halva. Up next.
Vegan Leader, Game Changer.
Buenas, I'm Livia, and I have just said hello in Spanish. We all value our lives and others treasure theirs too. The gentle people of Cuba applaud you for your noble actions and vegan lifestyle that respect and protect the lives of all inhabitants on our beautiful planet. May God bless and protect you and your loved ones. Welcome to our show, Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 3 of 3, Sunflower Seed-Based Vegan Crepe with Hollandaise Sauce and Vegan Ukrainian Sunflower Seed Halva. Last Sunday, we were delighted to show you how to incorporate sunflower seeds into two favorite comfort food recipes, vegan patty burger and vegan pesto pasta. Today, we will add to our sunflower recipes with two more homemade dishes, this time using sunflower seed flour. To start off, we will make the sunflower seed flour by placing the raw whole sunflower seeds in a high-speed blender, or you can use a food processor or coffee grinder. Grind the seeds to a fine powder. A cup of sunflower seeds will make about 1 cup of flour. And if you like a finer texture after blending, use a sieve to filter out the coarser bits. Sunflower seed flour is packed with protein and is a very versatile product that can be used in a wide range of dishes, like pancakes, chapati, roti, tortilla, bread, cookies, crackers, and lots more. Today, we will cook a delicious savory vegan crepe. A crepe is a very thin pancake-style specialty that is typical of the Brittany region of Western France and can be paired with sweet or savory fillings. They are larger than pancakes, but much thinner and similar in shape and size to a tortilla wrap. The texture is very close to a pancake, but slightly softer. Here are some useful tips to make your French crepes perfect every time. Firstly, keep all your ingredients at room temperature before use to prevent lumps in the batter, especially for coconut oil. Secondly, use a suitable non-stick frying pan to prevent sticking. A crepe pan, though not necessary, works better as it is much easier to flip the crepe. You'll also need a thin spatula for loosening the edges and flipping the crepes. We will start by making a vegan hollandaise sauce to go with the sunflower crepes. For this, we blend 1 cup of silken tofu, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of capers, and 2 teaspoons of olives, 1 tablespoon of vegan Dijon mustard sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vegan sugar, 1 teaspoon of vegan sweet chili sauce, and half a tablespoon of fruit vinegar. Blend till all ingredients are incorporated into a smooth texture. Our vegan hollandaise sauce is done. Now let's prepare the batter. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sunflower seeds flour, and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Gradually whisk in 300 milliliters of unsweetened soy milk or oat milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and continue whisking until the batter is smooth and runny. We are now ready to cook the crepes. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil in a non-stick pan, and using eco-friendly kitchen paper, rub the oil all over the bottom of the pan, just enough to coat it. Place your pan on medium heat and scoop 2 ladles of the batter into it. Then tilt and rotate the pan to spread the batter as thin as possible. Leave it for about 3 minutes or until the batter hardens at the edges. Gently flip the crepe over and continue cooking for a few more minutes. The crepe is ready when both sides turn light brown. Continue cooking the remaining crepe batter. Now we will cook the filling for the crepes. First, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan on low heat. Add 1 cup of cut fresh shiitake mushrooms, some salt, and freshly ground pepper, and stir fry. Then add 1/3 of a cup of shredded vegan cheese and half a cup of diced vegan ham, some unsweetened soy milk, water, herbes de Provence, and smoked paprika. Continue to stir fry while adding the remaining soy milk and then 2 cups of greens and water. Season with salt and pepper or your favorite herbs and spices, and mix the ingredients together. It is ready when the greens are noticeably diminished. Next, assemble all the components together. Place the filling on 1/2 of the crepe and then fold to cover the filling. Garnish with some sunflower sprouts. Drizzle some vegan hollandaise sauce, then sprinkle some chopped parsley or other fresh herbs on top. You also can place the filling in the middle of the crepe, roll it up, and cut it in half as you would do a tortilla wrap. Then add the sunflower sprouts, vegan hollandaise sauce, and herbs. These savory crepes look so delicious, so indulge while they are still warm.
Vegan, we cheer you on.
Benevolent viewers, we will take a moment to say a prayer of gratitude to all sentient and divine beings, both visible and invisible, for making vegan food that nourishes us physically and spiritually. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. We will be right back. Welcome back to our show, Wondrous Nature's Gift, Radiant Sunflower, Part 3 of 3. Sunflower seed-based vegan crepe with hollandaise sauce and vegan Ukrainian sunflower seed halva. Sunflower seed flour is not only ideal for enriching our dough, but also a wonderful ingredient for making enticing and finger-licking sweet treats like halva. Halva is a popular confection found in the Middle East, Central and South Asia, Eastern Europe, and North Africa. The two most common variations are the flour-based halva and the nut and seed-based halva. Flour-based halva is usually made from roasted grained flour, typically semolina, and has a gelatinous texture. Nut and seed-based halva is generally made from tahini or sesame paste or other nut butter. In the Middle East, halva is normally made with tahini, while in Eastern Europe, the sunflower seed version is popular. Now, let's start to making Ukrainian sunflower seed halva by preparing the syrup mixture. Pour 3 tablespoons of water and half a cup of organic sugar into a saucepan and put on medium-low heat. Stir constantly until the sugar dissolves. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of salt and continue stirring. Stir in half a tablespoon of lemon juice and then turn off the heat. Now grease your halva container with coconut oil to prevent sticking. Alternatively, you can use parchment paper. Combine 2 cups of sunflower seed flour with the syrup mixture we just made and thoroughly mixed until well incorporated. Transfer the halva mixture into the pre-oiled container. Press the mixture until tightly packed and flat on the surface. Leave the halva to set in the fridge for at least 3 hours before serving. We made some earlier for you and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Place the already chilled cut halva pieces on our serving plate and garnish with your favorite accompaniments. We use rusel, fresh mint leaves, kiwi, kumquats, blueberries, and sunflower seeds. Now there is only one thing left to do, and that is to sit back, relax, and enjoy these sumptuous sweet treats with your favorite cup of tea.
Ingredients. For all ingredients, please use organic versions if available. For the vegan sunflower crepe, the ingredients are batter, 1 cup or 125 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sunflower seed flour, a pinch of salt, 300 ml of soy milk or oat milk, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Fillings: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of fresh shiitake mushrooms or your favorite mushrooms, 1/3 cup of shredded vegan cheese, 1/2 cup of vegan ham, 2 cups of greens, spinach, pak choi, or any others, 1/3 cup of unsweetened soy milk, 1/3 cup of water, salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of herbs de Provence, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Garnishing: vegan hollandaise sauce, sunflower seed sprouts, parsley. For the vegan hollandaise sauce, the ingredients are 1 cup or 150 grams of silk tofu, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of capers, optional, 2 teaspoons of olives marinated in herbal oil, optional, 1 tablespoon of vegan Dijon mustard or yellow mustard sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, optional, 1/2 teaspoon of salt or black salt, 1/2 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vegan sugar, 1 teaspoon of vegan sweet chili sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of fruit vinegar or apple cider vinegar. For the vegan Ukrainian sunflower seed halva, the ingredients are 2 cups of sunflower seed flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of vegan sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Garnishing: fruits, herbs, and nuts, for example roselle, fresh mint leaves, kiwi, kumquats, blueberries, and sunflower seeds.
The artworks I create are largely motivated by my love of animals and my desire to awaken kindness and compassion within my viewers. Linda Bell, vegan.
Noble viewers, thank you for your company on our show today. It's amazing to see the wide range of delicious recipes you can create with these little and versatile sunflower seeds. May the blessing sun provide abundant sunflowers as a symbol of peace, love, and protection for the Ukrainian people at this time. Up next is The United Spirit of the Ukrainian People Shines Before the World, Part 9 of 12, on Between Master and Disciples, right after noteworthy news. Every moment is precious, so we best make the most of it to serve our noble goal. May God be with you always.
For free international vegan recipes and for language availability, please visit suprememastertv.com/VEG and suprememastertv.com/schedule.